Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a GU Nissan Patrol Ute ST. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. The shape ran from the first month 1999 to the fourth month 2017. This vehicle is fitted with a ZD30 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by a 4-wheel drive manual transmission. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch steel wheels. Left front has a good tyre. Factory 16-inch steel wheel, left rear has a good tyre. Has a factory towbar. We have the right-hand front door, right-hand manual door mirror, factory 16-inch steel wheel, right front has a good tyre. We have the driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth interior. Has a tidy center console lid, manual transmission center console, factory AC controls, interior mirror, has a tidy left-hand sun visor, tidy interior light with sunglass holder, has a tidy right-hand sun visor, manual transmission instrument cluster, also has a tidy black vinyl steering wheel with steering wheel controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.